from around the area. At the Ashe County Jefferson Airport, sky... The following is an urgent winter weather message for the following counties in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashe and Watauga, and Grayson, Virginia. Winter storm warning in effect from noon Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations between 1 and 5 inches and ice accumulations up to 0.4 of an inch. Where? Portions of northwest North Carolina, central, south central, southwest, and west central Virginia, and southeast west Virginia. When? From noon Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts: significant ice accumulation on power lines and tree limbs may cause scattered and long-lasting power outages. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Do not touch down lines and report any power outages to your electric company. Travel is highly discouraged due to slick roadways and the possibility of downed trees and power lines. Here is a winter weather message for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina.
Yep, this is not only my first ever toned winter storm warning out of WNG588, but also my first toned winter storm warning in nearly 3 years. And by that I mean since January 2022, specifically January 14th. And I'm getting this on January 4th, 2025. By the 14th of this year, it's going to be nearly 3 years if I haven't gotten a winter storm warning like what I got here now. And in the case of this winter storm warning, at least for this being WNG588, they had went off for RNK's counties, RNK being the Blacksburg WFO, for Allegheny, Ashe, and Watauga counties in North Carolina, and Grayson, Virginia. At least those being the counties that WNG588 went off for, though there's other counties around their county area. And this got issued as part of an upgrade to RNK's existing winter storm watch. And as you can see here, what used to be a watch from them is now a warning. And my first ever winter storm warning in a long time. And as a matter of fact, that's for the last time I did get a winter storm warning. It was through this video that I recorded in January 2022. That was my first ever winter storm warning on January 2022, and haven't got a single one since up until now. So yeah, as I said, my first winter storm warning in a long